Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare two powerful processors for your computer. We have the Intel Core i9-12900K and the Intel Core i7-12700KF. Before we start, make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Intel Core i9-12900K is priced at $358, while Intel Core i7-12700KF is available for $272. If you are on a budget, Core i7 may be a more affordable option. Both processors feature socket LGA1700 for installation, making it easy to replace or upgrade the processor without soldering. Core i9-12900K comes with 30 MB of L3 cache memory, while Core i7-12700KF features 11 MB L2 and 25 MB L3 cache, making Core i9 more suitable for memory-intensive tasks. Both processors feature Intel 7 architecture for improved performance per watt and power efficiency. However, Core i9's 10nm microarchitecture makes it more power efficient than Core i7's 11nm microarchitecture. Core i7-12700KF has a higher base frequency of 3.6 GHz and better onboard graphics, while Core i9-12900K has faster turbo boost and hyper-threading architecture for improved performance in demanding applications. So that is our comparison between the Intel Core i9-12900K and Intel Core i7-12700KF. Depending on your needs and budget, you can choose the one that fits you better. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews.